Hello, a very good day to all after a really long time. So today in this video we are going to learn about circle and its elements, and this will be part 1 because there are a number of elements in a circle, and if I'll make the video of all the elements of a circle in one go, the video will become too long, right? So let us discuss about circle in detail and use of circle in our daily life, and along with that we'll study three elements: center, radius and diameter. So let's start, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So first is, let us learn about circles in daily life. See these, you already know how to draw, how to ride a bicycle, and the wheels of the bicycle are in the shape of a circle. Our national flag, and in our national flag we have Ashok Chakra, and that is in the shape of a circle. This wind chime, we love to put it near our windows, right? So the rim of that is also a circle. And wow, coin, right? Coin is also a very common example of drawing a circle. So circles in music, yes, in music also we use circles. In all these musical instruments, you see that the shape is a circle. So circles in games. Now even in games you see we use the shape circle. It's very common. You know about Olympic Games. The main logo is 5 circles, right? And even this basketball when you go and play that, then this net has the shape of a circle. So what actually is this circle? है क्या? हर जगह पे है. पर है क्या? What do you mean by a circle? So firstly we see that if I want to draw a circle, then what do? See, by using a coin, we can easily draw a circle, right? By using a coin. You just put a coin over here and you can easily draw a circle. So circle is a closed curve in a plane. It is a closed curve, right? It is closed from all the sides, and it can be drawn on a plane surface, a flat surface, and it can be drawn with the help of any circular object. You can use a bangle, you can use a CD, you can use a coin. If you don't have a compass with you, you can use the cap of some container if it is in the shape of a circle. So you can draw a circle with the help of any circular object. So what is its definition? What do you mean by a circle, and what do you mean by the center of a circle? Let us study. So this is a circle, and in between, when you place a compass on a plain paper, okay, then you will see that where the needle of the compass is there one hole is formed, right? Because it is very sharp. So that point is called the center of a circle. We usually name it as O, but you can name it with any name you want. Okay, and then when you draw a circle, when you draw, and then it will become a circle, and this point, this fixed point, is called the center of the circle. So our definition become: a circle is a closed curve consisting of all the points in a plane which are at the same distance from a fixed point inside it. So a circle is a collection of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point inside it. Means what? Means we have a closed curve, and if on that curve we draw infinite number of points, then those all points will be at an equal distance from the center. ठीक है, अगर मैं इस सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे इफ आई ड्रॉ इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स, तो फ्रॉम सेंटर इफ आई जॉइन देम, then you will observe that the distance from center to this point will remain same, and when we will draw infinite points over here, then it will become a circle. So that is why the mathematical definition of a circle is that a circle is a collection of points in a plane which are at equal distance from a fixed point inside it. So center, the fixed point inside a circle is called the center of the circle. जिस fixed point से आपने circle draw किया है उसको हम बोलते हैं center of the circle, right? And a circle has one and only one center. Circle का सिर्फ एक center हो सकता है, right? Why? Because when you will draw it using a compass, at one point only if you will keep it, then only you will be able to draw a circle, not otherwise. Okay? So a circle has one and only one center. Next is circumference. So now what do you mean by a circumference? The boundary of the circle. See this boundary, right? So what is a circumference? The boundary of the circle is called the circumference, or the distance around a circle is called its circumference. So now next is radius. So what do you mean by the radius of a circle? Well, we know that this is the center of the circle, and now from the center of a circle, if we take this any point on the circle, let us say that this point is M. Okay, and if I join that point on the boundary of the circle to its center, then this line segment will be known as radius of a circle. Okay, so what is a radius? A line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the boundary of the circle. This will be called radius. Okay, so a line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called a radius. Now you see there is one point and one radius over here, right? This is the radius. Okay, now next, these all are also radius. We can have infinite number of points on the boundary of the circle, so we can have infinite number of radius also. And the radius, plural of radius is radii. Okay, and the radii of a circle are equal in length, and we can have infinite number of radii. Okay, very important. Next is diameter. Now what do you mean by the diameter of the circle? So this is a circle we have with the center O. Alright, so now we have one point on the boundary of a circle over here, and we have another point, say B, on the boundary of the circle on the other side. Okay, now if I join this line and it become line segment AB, and it passes through the center of the circle. Okay, if we have 2 points on the boundary of a circle and if we join them and it passes through the center of the circle, then it will be called the diameter of the circle. फिर हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Diameter of a circle. Okay, so what is the definition? A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle and which passes through the center is called a diameter. Now next again we have a circle over here. Now let us study some other important facts about diameter. Okay, now again this is a circle, this is a diameter, but we can have a diameter like this also. We can have a diameter like this also. So we can have infinite number of diameters in a circle, and they all will be of equal length. Okay, diameter of a circle are of equal length. So here I have written it twice, so ignore that. So next is again a circle, right? Some more points about a circle. So this is a radius. Okay, it is a radius OM. Okay, radius OM. But if on the same way where I have drawn one radius, if on exactly on the other side, अगर मैं बिल्कुल उसके सामने एक और point ले लूँ N, okay, and if I join it, then that will be radius ON. Okay, that will be radius ON. But if I take this complete line MN, then this is the diameter, right? So that means अगर मैं दो रेडियस को ज्वाइन कर दूं तो डायमीटर बन जाता है. इससे तो यही होगा. In the figure, this is the only way which is shown over here, that if I draw two radius, okay, draw two radii like this, कि जहां एक खत्म हो रही है बिल्कुल उसके सामने दूसरी बना लो, तो हमारे पास 2 रेडियस बन जाते हैं और वो इक्वल होता है डायमीटर के. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला माय फ्रेंड्स, because all the radii are of equal length. That means radius OM is equal to radius ON. We have done that the radii of a circle are of equal length. That means radius OM भी radius ON के equal हुआ. और अगर ये equal है तो ये क्या बना, diameter. So that means diameter MN is equal to radius OM plus radius ON. So what does it show? That the length of the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. So this is a formula which we usually write as diameter is equal to 2 into diameter. We usually write this formula, okay, that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Alright, so this is the formula that we will learn so many times and we will use it many times in the question. So same way, if diameter is 2 times radius, I can also say that what is radius? Radius is half of diameter. If I divide the diameter by 2, अगर मैं इसका ये वाला portion हटा दूं, तो I will get a radius. So diameter is 2 into radius and radius is diameter divided by 2. The length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. So I hope you have understood, and that was all about some of the elements of the circle. The remaining elements of a circle I will discuss it in the next video. Stay in touch. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Do like, share and comment. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye.